Convoy may karod going me to mas maray-maray with a scooter roof tent and a motorbike roof tent. So ayan sana guys, patay sa RR and with my baby girlie. Ayan, hi babe. So guys, road trip me there is a highway going to Maray. Pasensya na sa akong tingog guys, kay nagpractice ko o ganang vlogging. So money guys, nami sa high dire guys, okay mo na guys. So ang maingon na good guys is safety riding. Gan ba? So riding daw. Ikaw be, ikaw sa pong biyahe be. So guys, diba sa maray-maray paingon. So mara to guys, thank you for watching. Update mo sa inyong biyahe.